It's been a different Bowling Green basketball team as of late. On Tuesday, the Falcons overcame their second straight second-half deficit to outlast Oakland 73-72. It's a marquee win for Michael Huger's squad. The Golden Grizzlies were ranked 10th among mid-major teams by collegeinsider.com prior to the matchup. After a slow start, BGSU had an offensive outburst led by Chandler Turner's career-high 23 points, including the eventual game winner.
I thought the offense was extremely well. We were able to score 73 points against it. Most teams don't score that much against what they do because they haven't seen it. We found something that worked, that we run pretty much against zone, and we ran it against them basically the whole game, the whole second half. They had some stops. We had 22 turnovers, which is way too high, but a lot of those turnovers were careless. We made the mistake. They didn't force that turnover. We made mistakes in the passes that we threw, and they were able to capitalize on the other end. But I thought we did a great job of attacking the zone in the right spots and making shots. That's the biggest thing against the zone. We were able to make shots. Most teams that I watched maybe 5 of their games. Teams weren't able to make shots against the zone. So that's the first thing that worries you is we're not going to be able to make shots. And then you start to make shots, and then your guys get into a rhythm. And that was the biggest thing. They keep you out of rhythm with the zone, but the way we attacked it, we were still in rhythm, and we were able to attack the zone all night long.
Bowling Green now back over 500. They are next in action on Sunday when they host Robert Morris for a matinee matchup.